This is what you buy a Carrera 4 996 C4 Cabriolet. Mine is a first 996.1 2000 Carrera 4 Cabriolet. And this is what it's all about. So far, so great. You can get it loose. You can play a little bit. It's really good all-wheel drive. Much better than I had a 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet. That one was blue with tan. You can see my review of that one. But I find the 996 to be superb, absolutely superb when it comes to driving in the snow. It is made for it. And I know people like to hate on the 996 because of those fried egg headlights and things like that, but it is I think it's an attractive car. Does the 997 look better? Does my 1982 Targa look better? I mean, overall, yeah, it does. But it's the entry-level 911 too, and to have a 911 that you can get into for really under 20K is amazing. I really called the bottom of the market on this car, and I got it more for Boxster money, actually. I buy all my cars cheap, or else I don't buy them. Check out, I bought the cheapest Porsche 911. That's my Targa. I bought the cheapest supercharged Jag, and I bought the cheapest Alpina V7, which is also currently in my active driving fleet. But yeah, they are the least expensive 911 right now. Here I am powering up this mountain. A little bit of slide, but not much. And it's just great. It is great. If you get into it, it might, yeah, you know, slipping around a little bit. But this is awesome. Out here on a snowy day in the 996 Carrera 4 Cabriolet. And look, I'm turning, but it's not doing much. You can play. It gets loose. Sometimes the traction control light has come on. I just took this on a 2,300 mile road trip. So check that out down to Florida. But today it's all about the snow. Unfortunately, I have to be back in the cold a little bit. I'll escape soon, don't worry. There will be more warm car adventures. Get ready for some surprises, I think, coming up soon. But stay tuned to my channel, watch everything, and yeah, you can see me driving in the snow in this car on my 60 horsepower is better than 600 video. Definitely check that one out. 60 horsepower is better than 600. I drive this car in the snow in that one, and you can see it from the outside, so that's kind of cool. Wow, a tree branch just fell right in front of me. Fortunately, it was just a twig. But I feel ready for this weather in this car. Check out my Beatles in Liverpool. That's a great video to watch on a snowy, cold day when you can't go outside. I actually ran into a real Beatle. Really cool story there. I love to do pop culture and music videos too, guitar reviews, disc golf videos, my literal video. You ever watch literal videos? Literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. I just did a tribute to Bob Dylan's Subterranean Homesick Blues in a video format. Check out my I'll Never Tell original music video. Has one of my cool cars in it too. And coming up, I'll have Every Day at the Beach is a Good One. And that's a music video I just shot when I was in sunny Florida. So check that one out. But what else do I have? What would I say? Free Your Mind has a lot of my car collection and musical instrument collection in it. And what else? You should watch Jim Morrison's Life and Death in Paris. That's a really cool video I did. Jimi Hendrix's Life and Death in London. And also his lady interests, his lady friends. I just did a video on the selling of Steve McQueen and Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche 917. That's just out. I got a cool video. I just a road trip car I was considering was the Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider. Reviewed that. And what else? I imported a lot of cars recently. My Fiat Barchettas. Yep, 2 of them. One's for sale. Also also my Ginetta G26. Check that out. And what else? My Fiat 126 with the Martini livery. That's a cool car. And am I forgetting something? Yeah, my MGF that I licensed in Germany. Drove on the Nürburgring 2 laps. That's a cool one. But wow, driving in the snow. You definitely don't want to push it. You want to allow extra stopping distance. Because when you press the brakes, you know, the ABS kicks in, and your stopping distance is greatly affected. Most people wouldn't be out driving today in this, but I like to drive, and I like to drive sports cars in the snow and kind of challenge the edges of their handling. I love doing that, and this is the perfect day to do it. You can also see my driving a sports car in the rain video, which I do in my Austin Healey Sprite. If you want to know my whole fleet, just search "what does Drivin Ivan drive." That'll give you some insight as to my actual fleet and what I really do drive. I have a lot of cars. Lancia Delta Integrale, that's a cool one. What else? Very cool 635 CSI, BMW, extremely custom. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota convertible. That's right. It's one of 2 convertibles I've ever seen. It's a real Shelby. Check out all my Mecum auction footage. Can you get a good deal at an auction? That's a good one. And thank you so much for watching this video on this sunny day. I mean, snowy day. I was thinking of the beach again. I'm stuck in the beach mode. It's literally just at the beach. And here I come back to a rude awakening of this. Isn't it horrible? Well, there you go. 996, the snow. Oh, play a little bit. Gonna get it loose. It's very solid with the all-wheel drive. It's a great car. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan. Porsche, there is no substitute.